Welcome to this comprehensive guide on updating your banking information on Gumroad. Whether you're selling digital products, courses, or software, properly setting up your banking details is essential for receiving payments, staying compliant with tax requirements, and keeping your account verified. This guide covers everything you need to know as of January 2026, including the latest features like biometric verification for faster setup and expanded cryptocurrency payout options. By the end of this series, you'll have your Gumroad account fully set up for smooth, secure payouts. First, log into your Gumroad account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings section in your Gumroad dashboard. Then, click on Payouts to access payout management. Here, you'll find the Bank Account option. This is where you'll manage your banking details. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security before proceeding. Gumroad uses a secure, Stripe-hosted form to collect your banking information. Enter your bank account number, routing number, and the full name associated with the account. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays or failed payouts. This form is encrypted via SSL/TLS for your protection. To verify your Gumroad account, you'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID. Common options include a passport or driver's license. These documents help confirm your identity and comply with security regulations. In addition to ID, you may need to provide proof of address, such as a recent utility bill. This ensures the address on file matches your verification documents. It's crucial that the name and address on these documents exactly match the information in your Gumroad account. Any mismatches can delay the verification process. Gumroad introduced biometric verification in late 2025, using facial recognition to speed up account approval. This can reduce verification times from days to hours for eligible users. Depending on your location, you'll need to provide specific tax information to comply with regulations. U.S. residents will have a W-9 form auto-generated. This IRS form requests your taxpayer identification number and certifies tax compliance. International creators need to submit their tax identification number or equivalent, such as VAT, GST details for European and other regions. In 2025, Gumroad partnered with Stripe Tax to automate tax calculations for US and EU sellers, reducing manual compliance work. Gumroad provides multiple payout options to suit different creator needs. The main methods include bank transfers through ACH or wire, PayPal for quick digital payments, and cryptocurrency for those preferring blockchain-based payouts. Bank transfers via ACH or wire require a minimum balance of $10 before payout occurs monthly. This method incurs standard fees of 3.5% plus 30 cents per transaction. PayPal offers another convenient payout option with similar fee structures, ideal for creators who prefer instant digital transfers. Cryptocurrency payouts support over 20 different digital currencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. This option features lower fees at 2% compared to traditional methods and is mandatory for international creators in regions with unstable fiat currencies. Each payout method has its own advantages, with monthly disbursements occurring once balances exceed the minimum thresholds. Creators should choose based on their location, preferences, and currency stability needs. When updating banking information on Gumroad, you might encounter common issues like mismatched names, outdated IDs, or incorrect bank details. For mismatched names, ensure all names match exactly across your account, bank, and verification documents. Outdated IDs can cause verification failures. Make sure your ID is current and matches your account information. Incorrect bank details often involve wrong routing numbers or account numbers. Double-check against your bank statements. If you encounter problems, start by double-checking all your information. Ensure names, IDs, and bank details are accurate and up to date. If problems continue, contact Gumroad support by submitting a support ticket through their help center. Expect a response within 24 to 48 hours. This timeline helps track the typical resolution process. To prevent delays, keep your documents updated and review your banking information periodically. Staying ahead means keeping an eye on emerging trends in Gumroad payouts. One major trend is the rising adoption of cryptocurrency for payouts. With blockchain growth, 40% of new Gumroad sellers now opt for crypto payouts, attracted by lower fees and global accessibility. Another trend is AI-driven verification processes. Gumroad is piloting artificial intelligence for instant document scanning, which could reduce manual reviews by 70% by 2027. Gumroad is increasingly focusing on emerging markets, providing support for African and Asian creators with localized banking gateways, such as M-Pesa in Kenya. Looking to the future, by 2028, expect full Web3 integration on Gumroad, including decentralized identity for verification that eliminates traditional banking hurdles. To stay ahead, regularly check Gumroad's official website and blog for the latest updates on payouts and new features.